In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my favorite way to tint eyebrows at home. I've been using this kit for years and years and years. This is kind of the mini version, but it's the Go For It tint kit, and I usually get mine in light brown. I naturally have very light features, very light eyebrows, very light lashes. They basically don't exist, so I love to tint them. That way I don't have to worry about them for about a month. This tint does tint the skin as well, so be mindful of that. You don't just want to slobber it on anywhere, but the tint on the skin doesn't stay for more than about a week. I love this kit because it's so easy to use, and I like the color of this. Even though this is light brown though, I will say it is kind of more of a medium darker brown, so if that's not your vibe and you want something a lot lighter, then this might not be the kit for you, or maybe just leave it on for a few minutes, test it out and see. I buy it on Amazon and have been buying this kit on Amazon, like I said, for years, and I just love it. Once I'm comfortable with something, it's like if it ain't broke, don't fix it, you know? Each kit has a 3% 10 volume developer. You really don't need more than this. You don't want anything too harsh or intense. Those are my cats. You might hear them here and there. It has a little mini mixing bowl, mixing dowel sticks, and then in the mixing bowl, you have the 4 application capsules, or like vegetarian capsules, kind of like uphill basically. The powdered dye is in the capsule. You mix this in the mixing bowl, equal parts with the developer, apply it to your eyebrows, let it sit for like 5 minutes if you want it really, really dark, and that's basically it. So easy to use. And me personally, I actually use half a capsule, so I'm technically getting 8 applications out of this, because I've noticed if I use the whole thing, I have so much go to waste, so I just use half. I'm gonna break this open and dump the contents of half of one into here, and I'm gonna put the cap back on, and this one I'm gonna use next time. I have the powder in here. Now I'm gonna add equal parts of the developer into here, and I just eyeball it. I've been doing this for years, so I kind of have an idea, but this is what that looks like. And now you just mix it. Mix, mix it, mix until it becomes a nice thick paste. And this did not come with an eyebrow brush, so I'm gonna use one of my own. I have this one here. The first thing that I do is I brush my eyebrow hairs up, because this is how I style them when I pencil them in or draw them in. This is how I usually have them, so just brush them in whatever direction you usually have them when you do your eyebrows. And then I'm going to take the eyebrow brush, dip it into that paste, and start outlining. So because my eyebrows are not twins, like this one's a little bit more arched, this one's more flat here, I outline them to try to be twins, at least as much as possible. And I'm going to start at the tail of the brow because that's where it's going to develop the most, and I like to start on this eyebrow here that doesn't have basically any eyebrow hairs right here. I want it to tint the skin, so I'm going to let that sit the longest. Just dab that on. After about a week, I'm going to have to start filling it in because it starts to fade from the skin. Right, and then I just start outlining. Once I'm happy with the outline, they're nice and even, like the shape, the evenness, all of that, that's when I'll go in and I just grab a lot and start filling them in. I just kind of press it in here towards the front and go up and down and kind of do this. I feel like I could have used a little bit more developer because this paste is a little bit too thick. I always do the front of the brow last because I want that to be the lightest. I'm just going in and kind of packing it on. It looks crazy. The eyebrow hairs are not going to be this dark. I leave it on for about 5 minutes. I would start out with 2-3 minutes. If this is like your first time ever, you can always go back in and kind of add a little bit more, let it develop a little bit more. But I have noticed that the more I add on, like in layers, go back, touch it up, the more touch-ups I do, the darker it gets. Especially if you apply over what you already did, it's going to be very, very dark. So I try to do it in one shot, but it's usually inevitable that I'm going to have to kind of tweak some spots. So I'm going to let this develop for a little bit, wipe it off, and then see where I need to touch up. Here are the eyebrows completely done. After doing a little bit of a touch-up, the touch-up definitely made them a little bit darker, but I've been using this kit for years and I love it, so I wanted to do a video on my channel. I'll link it down below. I get it on Amazon. It's amazing. Give it a try. If you do, let me know if you like it, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in future videos. Bye!